And we're back. Anime Rose 12321 saying we're back online now. Get off of me, 360!
But my chips are top.
And let's continue with the fight. Yeah.
When the timer reaches 20 minutes, that's when we're supposed to cut.
Okay.
Go, Search Man!
Go, what's your name?
I do not suck it!
Yeah. Girls
Transform!
Girls Socolith?
Grail Sucklet!
Girl Socolith! Oh, Grail, really? Is he a woman or a man?
Is he guy who acts like a woman? I'm helping.
Oh.
Really, I am.
Don't help. You're interfering.
Go crazy! I'm dancing!
He's blocking you. Keep hitting him.
How do you do that?
Oh, snap!
Power attack.
No.
360 is being a creeper right now. Creeper's gonna creep!
Where's the creeper? I'll get my diamond sword.
I win! Yeah, I'm done!
Keep hitting him! He's almost dead!
Where's the creeper? I'll get my
Can I
diamond
help
sword.
you? No.
Oh.
Can we just Skylander? We will in a little bit, okay?
Come on!
Close this in.
Second turn to fair.
I know.
Come on, he's almost dead!
In the face! How dare you hit a girl?
That was in the back of the head. Whoa!
Yay!
Man, that wasn't a fair match.
Planes rock!
That wasn't a fair match. My remote wasn't working.
Yeah, and then I started acting like a plane.
Whee!
Now it's both act like planes. Hey,
That was also cheap. That'd be awesome.
you, we're fighting.
Okay.
Here you go.
That was a cheap match.
Oh, we are so gonna be fighting each other.
Let's be planes. It's like we're
that
watching
wasn't
each
fair, 'cause
other.
I was like,
I
how
know
life and it went down.
But we can't redo the match.
Calm down.
Oops.
Start the third round.
Man, that's not fair.
Okay, we get it.
I said I was going to be my sister. Nah. No.
Oh well. Eat noodles, eat noodles, eat noodles!
So I should probably beat you.
warm up.
No, because I'm going to be that girl.
All right.
You said my name.
Fight!
Oh, crap! What the hell?
Hey.
Eat it.
Don't mind that background, people. Just follow the sound of my voice.
And watch the television.
You know, it's okay. I once saw a video, and this guy had a vacuum while he was playing a theme music going on.
And it looks like...
I wonder how many people are gonna watch this. What do you think, Grail?
Probably a million, because, let's see, Vegeta's getting beat by a girl. Actually, Vegeta does get the crap beat out of him by 18 in the anime.
I know, right?
I'm going to enjoy this. You died. Hey, I broke your arm again, Vegeta. It's, deja vu.
Deja vu.
It's over.
Hey, yo.
I got incinerated.
It hit a full. That's mine?
You sure?
Yeah. You're in front of me.
Oh, yeah.
See? And now time for the cat fight. First let's act like airplanes again.
This is being recorded. We want to get it done.
Yeah, but we want to act like planes.
Let's wait for the location.
You all get to act like planes while you make out with each other.
What? 36 is being a creeper again. Push up! Push
I
it!
know where my diamond sword is.
I ate it.
A creeper cannot.
Okay, let's just do it for a second and then get serious,
I'm a
man.
boo!
There's no booze in Minecraft.
All right.
I am Trev.
Here we go.
Ready? Okay, get serious
I got
time.
an extra diamond sword.
Okay, get serious.
Whoa. Creepy.
Gunman. Shotgun.
I made a diamond sword. Yeah.
Oh my god, we're dodging each other's attacks!
Gunman.
One's
Shotgun.
wearing a hat and one isn't.
I'm the one with the hat, just to let you know. Oh, did anybody saw that headbutt? That was awesome!
We can't give supplies to use a power shot.
Where's the second?
I'm going all fist, man.
It's so fist.
Oh, there it is. Oh, there it is. You mean mash?
No, one is getting their head. He's getting them. Okay.
Oh, why
Hey, I'm playing
why can't you
one,
try using your ultimates or something?
We're
Oh, wait, player 2's getting them. Ping.
Damn it.
Somebody swore. Hi.
Incoming ping pong ball.
Who do you think's gonna win this match?
Player 2.
You play it too?
Sure.
Because I can't.
Your sister.
Yeah, but I don't know which one this is and which.
The one without the hat.
Summer?
Use ping.
Use your ultimate.
My sister doesn't have a hat.
Okay, we just did it.
Doesn't have a hat. Or she does have a hat.
She doesn't. I'm gonna keep running. Damn, doesn't she smiling at the camera? Come
Use a power
on.
attack.
I'm busy.
Yeah, game.
Yeah, I'm gonna die, but it was good while it lasted, right, people?
Oh, I just headbutt you.
A knockout of a headbutt.
Not you.
I know.
Well, it was
It's now the final.
good show. We are all good.
Hi, in front of the camera, let's shake.
Okay, just our hands. Ready? Shaking hands. We are good. We are what's the word?
Wait, who's friends?
I'm gonna have
No, I mean
Wait,
like.
we forgot the shit.
Okay,
Like
let's take
we are not sore losers, okay? We're all good friends here.
Eat this.
Does anyone here play Minecraft?
No, I use
I have an Xbox.
anything to break the boredom. Hi, I'm.
Who can't fight?
Here we go.
Android versus Android, I think.
Yep.
Android versus Android.
Why is that there?
Wait, she's the little one's an android?
Yeah.
Did not know that.
Can we try the tournament again?
No, we're doing Wii Party.
Well, I'm not.
Okay.
The slap of justice.
We
Bad.
players.
So we party.
Structo disc.
Copy of.
See ya.
Ping! Oh my god!
Ping pong ball.
Ping!
Eric, are you getting beaten?
No.
It's my
Little.
sister that's getting beaten.
No, they're kind of like equally right now. Well, not anymore, but they're doing good. These two are awesome right now. I never knew Adele was so powerful.
Dude, she is hard to beat in the What If Saga.
Destructo disc. The F?
He's gonna win.
You're dead.
Oh yeah.
Get him! Get him! Get him! Or her, or I really don't know.
No.
Grill won!
You have to face her girl still.
Oh, that'll be easy.
You have to face the champion now.
Hercule is the weakest character ever.
Yeah, just
Are you
put that
kidding?
down.
But yeah, I used him once.
Oh my gosh, you might win the tournament!
Let's see if you can beat Hercule.
Oh, that'll be easy. I'm gonna win. I'm gonna win.
Pull the swords out!
Tap
Hold
the A
that.
button faster. Desert Wasteland.
I'm surprised
Yeah,
they're
pull
not
that
at his
sword.
arena.
Okay.
Finish him!
All right.
He's not even a ninja master. He has a white belt. For crying out loud.
He's strong as Skittle. He's nice run.
Krillin can't beat him! Krillin can't beat him! God.
It's again.
Summer
You won!
It would have said
Okay,
perfect.
thank you, thank you.
You actually hit once.
Summer
Hit
gets
once.
the victory.
If you didn't get hit.
Victory is to Grail, not Sonia.
Okay, guys, part 2. Okay, guys, the second game of Co-op Party Madness is gonna be Wii Party. We'll
We're not
see you-
recording it.
Why not?
We actually are.
Oh, we are?
Okay,
Yeah, because
people.
that's why I call it Co-op Party Madness.
We'll see you later. Goodbye. This button, right?
Yeah.